You don't see them, but they're everywhere. Hidden beneath our bustling cities and quiet towns, these structures are the backbone of modern civilization. Concrete drainage pipes, the unsung heroes working silently beneath our feet. These pipes form an intricate network ensuring that our daily lives run smoothly without us even noticing. They're vital for our communities, carrying away wastewater and stormwater, and playing a crucial role in maintaining public health and safety. During heavy rainfall, these pipes prevent floods, protecting homes, businesses, and lives. They are our silent guardians, working tirelessly to keep our environments safe. But have you ever stopped to think about how these essential pipes are made? The journey from raw materials to finished product is a marvel of engineering and craftsmanship. It's a fascinating process, blending raw materials like sand, gravel, and cement with skilled labor to create something that's both durable and essential. Each pipe is meticulously crafted to meet stringent standards. Let's get our boots dirty and explore the world of concrete drainage pipe manufacturing. From the mixing of raw materials to the final inspection, every step is crucial in ensuring the reliability and longevity of these vital components. Making a concrete drainage pipe starts with a simple recipe, kind of like baking a giant super strong cookie. The main ingredients? Cement, water, and aggregates. Cement acts as the glue, binding everything together. Water activates the cement and creates the right consistency. And aggregates, sand, gravel, or crushed stone, provide strength and bulk to the mixture. Getting the mix right is crucial. The consistency of the concrete mix determines the strength and durability of the final product. It's a delicate balance that requires precision and expertise. Too much water weakens the concrete, making it less durable and more prone to cracking. This can lead to structural failures over time, which is why it's essential to avoid adding excess water. Too little water, and the mix becomes too thick, making it difficult to work with. It won't flow properly into the molds, leading to gaps and voids in the final structure. Skilled workers carefully measure and combine these ingredients in giant rotating drums called concrete mixers. They follow precise formulas to ensure the right balance of water, cement, and aggregates. These massive machines churn and tumble the mix, ensuring every particle is coated with the cement paste. The continuous motion helps to achieve a homogeneous mixture, which is vital for the concrete's performance. This creates a uniform, workable concrete ready for the next stage. The consistency achieved through this meticulous process ensures that the concrete will set properly and provide the necessary strength for construction projects. Section 4. Shaping the pipes from mold to muscle. The wet concrete is poured into specially designed molds. These molds are meticulously crafted to ensure the concrete takes the perfect shape, forming the backbone of the pipes we rely on every day. The process begins with the careful selection of raw materials, ensuring the highest quality concrete mix. These molds come in various sizes to create pipes for different applications. From small residential plumbing to large-scale industrial projects, each mold is designed to meet specific requirements. The versatility of these molds allows for a wide range of pipe diameters and lengths, catering to diverse construction needs. Think of it like pouring batter into a cake pan. Except these pans are heavy-duty steel and can withstand immense pressure. The concrete mix is carefully poured into these robust molds, ensuring an even distribution. This step is crucial as it determines the structural integrity of the final product. Once the concrete is in the mold, it's vibrated and compacted to eliminate air bubbles that can weaken the pipe. This vibration process is essential as it ensures the concrete is densely packed, providing the necessary strength and durability. The molds are then left to cure, allowing the concrete to harden and gain its full strength over time. Section 5. Quality control, ensuring durability. Concrete drainage pipes need to be tough. They have to withstand years of underground pressure and harsh weather conditions. That's why quality control is paramount. Throughout the entire process, samples of the concrete are tested for strength, durability, and permeability. These tests ensure the pipes meet strict industry standards and will perform reliably for decades to come.